All right, folks, to start your Powtoon account, you need to go out to powtoon.com and sign up. And to sign up, you can select your Google account to log in with your CCPS one. And then once you are logged into Powtoon, you see your name up here. There's 3 different ways to create. I'm going to select customize a popular template. It already gets you started. The less you have to edit, the easier that it will be for you. And then you need to go through and pick a template that you like. You can go through education or usually work. And I'm going to click on the work one. And this is the template that I want to use. You can preview it. And I'm just going to click use because I know this is the one that I want. It takes a little bit to load it. On the left here, you'll see the cards or the cells or the slides, and you can pick whatever one of these that you want to work on. And for the most part, you can just edit your text and your pictures. I wouldn't worry about any of the other fancy stuff for right now when you're creating your first one. And you can just do a few slides. You don't have to do a whole lot. And you can delete any that you don't want to use. So if you click on it, there's a little delete icon right here, or you can click on the 3 ellipses and delete right here. So you can remove some of these if you don't want to have so many. It's your choice. This one is not appropriate, of course, so I'm going to delete that and then I'll fix it later. So you go through and you work on the text. So for here, the first one, good news, this coming, and then I would put a date in here. So you double click and then you can edit the text. And you can go through and do that with the different slides. Now you can select where it says swap, and it will give you the option to choose a character or prop from the library. So let's go out to objects and let's select this. Now when it says Pro, that means you have to have the Pro version. I've also added my own images to the library, so you could do that too. So let's just pick the computer. And I'm going to minimize it so I can fit it into this area. And again, you go through and you change out the text, any images that you want to. And when you're done, this is what you need to do is give it a name and save it. Now the tricky part is with the save, after you're done saving it, we want to export it. Because right now it's just playing within Powtoon. So to export it, we're going to go to YouTube, and everybody has a YouTube channel, whether or not you know it. You're going to have to tell Powtoon what channel you want to use. So you can add your account right here, and you can pick whichever YouTube account you want to use, and I would just suggest you use your CCPS one, and I already have mine already selected here. So I pick this one, and then I click on public, or you can also do unlisted. It's still there, but it's not public for anybody to access. It will just come up unlisted, so it won't show up in any kind of searching if someone searches on YouTube, and you can click next. And then you select your category, and then you can click next. And what will happen after you pick, I usually just do the low standard because I'm just going to use it online. And it takes a little bit of time for this to publish up to your YouTube channel. But to access your YouTube channel, and this is mine, you can go out to your classroom in your app menu, and there is a YouTube icon here. Or you can directly go out to youtube.com, and then you click on My Channel. It should prompt you to log in first. Once you're there, this is the channel that I have. You're going to see, and the best way to find this is I go under Video Manager. So when it's ready, this is usually where it will pop up first. And here is the video that I uploaded earlier, the ePortfolios promo. And all I need to do is grab that URL. So if I click on it, this is the URL I need, copy it, and then this is what I'm going to use to upload into Classroom to hand this assignment in as completed. Or and that is how you are to complete your Powtoon video for this course.